The Assistant Minister for I-Taukei Affairs, Honorable Excellency Maitonga, Chief Executive Officer of the I-Taukei Trust Fund Board, Mr. Taito, Chairman of the I-Taukei Trust Fund, Peter, Katonivere, board members, invited guests, ladies and gentlemen, and good evening to you all. I am extremely honored to be present here this evening to officiate at this milestone launch of the 3 key projects of the I-Taukei Trust Fund Board. Today, we proudly witness the culmination of over a year-long preparation that through hard work and perseverance is possible despite the challenges faced during the planning of these projects as they were carried out during the COVID-19 lockdowns. The 3 projects presented and to be launched this evening successfully fulfills the I-Taukei Trust Fund's mandate, which is to develop and facilitate initiatives that will improve the quality of life and enhance cultural tradition and values of I-Taukei and Rotumans through culture, heritage, and language programs. The first project being launched today is the Solesau. The Solesau is an online learning management system focused on the I-Taukei culture and traditions, language, norms, and values. Today, the concept of one's culture is quite fragile and diluted. This is a result of many factors. The fact remains that we face a somewhat uphill battle in trying to protect and maintain our culture and heritage, especially for our younger generation. Therefore, it is only proper and equally commendable that I-Taukei Trust Fund Board has taken a proactive approach in developing an online resource to inform, educate, revive the knowledge in as many Fijians as possible, particularly young Fijians, on their rich cultural and traditional heritage. With the Solesau platform, the ever-increasing Fijian diaspora across the world can access it and teach their children and grandchildren using this worthwhile educational resource. As such, culture is an important tool that migrant communities around the world are able to preserve, learn, and use to maintain links and reinforce their heritage and identity, while at the same time strengthening relationships or reciprocal ties with their countries of origin. The Solesau shall promote the revitalization of appropriate cultural traditions and ensure the transmission of knowledge to the younger generation. The Solesau is divided into 4 key areas, and they are Solevosa, Soleyau, Soleviwekani, and Soleitovo. The 4 areas covered in the Solesau captures the spirit and essence of our I-Taukei culture and heritage. I do encourage you all to visit this online educational resource and experience this new online learning tool and share the message of its existence to your families and friends. The second project is an exceptional book centered around traditional knowledge on our rich flora and fauna, and is authored by a well-renowned I-Taukei woman who has transferred her passion and years of knowledge on plants onto this book, aptly titled Healing Plants of Fiji. The book is authored by our one very own distinguished and Pacific botanist, Mrs. Juliana Swatimbau. It is the culmination of several years of collecting information from at least 82 different healers in widely located villages and settlements in Fiji. It is a collection of herbal healing concoctions currently used by healers in Fiji. These mixes have been passed down through countless generations and traditional I-Taukei healers and have been preserved by these various leaders, healers, and families. The author had ensured that the healing plants identified in the book were correctly identified scientifically, and any relevant information gathered internationally on their use and effective properties were recorded. Mrs. Watimbau received a formal training in science from Auckland University, New Zealand, where she gained a Master's of Science in Honours in Botany, specializing in plants cytogenetics in 1963. She has since worked in a variety of fields, including teaching, research, government administrator, and a freelance consultant. The information contained in the book is rich, timeless, as it does not contain rich traditional information on herbs and plants, but Mrs. Watimbau has also included the various concoctions of numerous ailments, backed up with scientific evidence detailing properties of these various herbs. In keeping with advanced technology, an app for this book shall be available for anyone to access in the first quarter of next year. So anyone can access online resource and use it on what is on offer. The app shall also contain a real-time database of healing plants, making it simpler and more practical for individuals to locate plants they may need for any healing formula they wish to prepare. This can be useful for educational field trips, botanists, hobbyists, and interested individuals. The third and final project is the I-Taukei Trust Fund's newly revamped website. The new website has more welcoming feel, rich with imagery, and now boasts 3 languages: English, Taukei, and Ratu. It is easily accessible on online formats, be it a desktop computer, laptop, or a smartphone. Given the increase on online activity, particularly during this pandemic, where the new norm dictates that almost everything is online, the revamped website is just on time, as audience have increased and a drive to conduct day-to-day business, online business, continues to progress. I hereby congratulate the I-Taukei Trust Fund's board and all the stakeholders involved in the project presented here tonight, and I have much pleasure in launching them this evening. I wish you all present here tonight and your families a blessed Christmas and a prosperous New Year. May the Almighty God bless you all, and may God bless Fiji. And thank you.
And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. This is Fiji. So